Matindi po ang labanan mga kababayan, umpisa pa lang sa hearing sa Quadcom. At napagalitan agad ni dating Pangulong Duterte itong si Arlene Brosas ng makakaliwag grupo mga kababayan na gustong pasagutin ng yes or no si PRRD. Nasupalpal mga kababayan ng 10 oras ni Pangulong Digong, panoorin po natin.
Tama ba na tawagin po itong Davao model or Davao style, Mr. Chair?
I cannot control the semantics.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
No!
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr. Chair,
yes or no?
tinatanong ko lang.
Ito po kasing nangyari mga kababayan ha. Dito yan nag-umpisa mga kababayan.
To direct my questions, Mr. Chair, to Rodrigo
Ang mga
Duterte.
kababayan, legal
Mr. Chair,
fraud
noong
daw.
October 28, sinabi ni dating Pangulong Duterte, under oath, sa harap ng
Under
Senado,
oath.
and I quote, I and I alone take full legal responsibility sa lahat na nagawa
Inulit lang niya mga kababayan ang sinabi ni Virus,
ng mga
no?
pulis
Ang sinabi ni Risa, no?
pursuant to my order, ako ang managot. At ako ang makulong.
I and
Huwag
I
yung
alone.
pulis na sumunod sa order ko. Ang tanong natin, Mr. Chair, the families of innocent extrajudicial killing victims are present. Yun po yung pinagsalita nyo kanina.
Ipaharap nyo kay
So can the
Digong.
former president look them in the eyes and say once more that he takes full legal
Eyes to eyes kayo.
responsibility for the deaths of their loved ones, Mr. Chair?
Go Digong! Go Digong!
Mr. President, can you,
What's the question?
what is the question?
Ano
Can you
question
repeat
mo?
the question?
Mr. Chair, sinabi niya po
Inaantok
na
pa si
full
dating Pangulong
responsibility.
Duterte, oh.
So, Mr. Chair, totoo ba yan?
Totoo.
Correct. Very correct. Since I was
I
a
love it.
president, and there was this, until now, serious problem about drugs,
Correct.
I had to issue or make a policy statement about drugs. At all that happened, yung nangyari pursuant to my order to stop the drug problem in this country, akin yun.
Kay dating Pangulong Digong yun.
Akin yun. Ako ang nagbigay ng order
I love it.
kasi ginawa nila illegal or legal, akin
Illegal
yun.
na.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I take full responsibility
Parang nabuhay
for
yan, oh.
it.
Thank you, Mr.
Dagdag na
Chair.
ito sa listahan.
Yun po yung tanong ko. Yung families of
Ipapasa na namin ito
innocent
sa ICC.
extrajudicial killings.
Dito
Kayo
na
din.
mga kababayan.
File the case in court.
Mr.
Walang
Chair.
problema. Nandiyan
Sige.
ng korte.
Matatalino naman
Yes,
ka
Mr.
kayo.
Chair. Second question ko. Responsable kayo kasi polisiyan nyo yon. Kumbaga, Tatao model or Davao style, Mr. Chair?
I
Davao.
cannot control the semantics.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Yeah, no!
Mr.
You
Chair.
are an investigator.
Tayo po ay nasa investigasyon sa
Hindi
loob.
ka
Yes,
investigator.
but you are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr. Chair,
yes or no?
tinatanong ko lang.
Yes,
Yan,
point of
yan ang gusto
order.
natin mga kababayan. Yan ang mga ano ng mga buhaya, yes or no. Akop, pakinggan mo. You are not an investigator.
Point of order,
Si
Mr.
Paduano,
Chair.
Si Paduano mga
Ano ba,
kababayan,
police?
mukhang gusto na ipakontent
Point
si
of order,
PRRD.
Mr. Chair. The session is suspended in the meantime, so please, let's take time to calm things down. Okay?
Eto na.
Para ho maayos ang ating hearing sa ngayon.
Di ba yan ang gusto nila mga kababayan, yes or no? You are not an investigator. Tingnan niyo si Paduano, ganyan yan si Paduano, Ora ganyan
Hearing
na.
is resumed.
Inatake mga kababayan.
Please proceed, Congresswoman Rosas.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Napakasimple
Yes or no?
lang po ng tanong ko. Tinatanong ko lang po kung yes or no, Davao style ba yung inyong modelo. Mr. Chair, ayaw niya sagutin.
Ay, sinagot ka.
So,
Hindi
Mr.
mo na
Chair, hindi ko
tinanggap.
maintindihan yon.
Oh, kasi Bob. Oh, you are Bob.
I'm
What is
sorry.
your
Iiyak na yan.
Your Honor?
Akop, sige Akop. Di ba?
if I may,
Sigaw-sigaw na mga kasama
Secretary
kababayan
Bello,
dati. Sagutin mo yes or no?
We normally, the committee does not allow the counsel of the witness
Mm.
to speak because the role of the counsel is limited only to counseling his client on his
Tahimik
rights.
ang mga buhayang
Nandun
ilan,
lamang
mga
po.
kababayan,
We cannot
Si Paduano.
ask you
Tignan
to
niyo si
answer
Paduano,
any
sumakit ang
questions that
ulo.
will be asked by any of the
Iko-content ko na ba
members.
ito?
And that is what is
Your
in the
Honor,
rules.
Your Honor, actually, I'm not answering
Iko-content
question
ko na ba?
of Congresswoman Rosas, Your Honor.
Oh.
My point is,
Go.
Your Honor, to allow the resource person to finish his answer.
Correct.
Okay, we will do that. Thank you, Attorney Bello.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Congressman Brosas, maybe it is perhaps the former president would like to elaborate on his answer.
Correct.
He may ask questions that is answerable
Si
by
Akop,
yes or no.
number one.
And
Yes or no,
as
sila
much as
Paduano,
possible,
mga
we would
kababayan.
Ask the resource
Napahawak
person
ulo na lang.
to say, only answer yes or no. But if he wishes to elaborate, and as long as it is germane and related to the answer to your question, we will allow that. But we will make it very, very short.
Sige.
Yes, Mr.
Sige.
Chair.
Iyak-iyak
Pwede
na.
namang mag-expound, Mr. Chair. Ang tinatanong ko lang, sa particular question na
Hindi
yun,
pa nga tapos.
maaari naman siyang sagutin ng
Sabihin
yes or
na-
no.
Yeah,
Without
wag na yes
explanation,
or no.
Mr. Chair.
Opo, opo. Mr.
Do
President.
not control my answer,
Oh,
Kung-
see?
Your Honor.
Your Honor.
This is not an inquisition.
Oh, abogado,
It's
mga kababayan.
a democratic process of investigation.
Engagement.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President.
Ay, nako. Go,
Ano po,
Mm.
if there are questions that will be propounded by the members, hopefully, medyo kung gusto po natin mag-elaborate.
Kumakain na naman ng mani si,
we will allow
si
that,
Abante, mga kababayan.
provided that,
Oh, nguyak-nguyak,
kung maaari
mani,
po sana
mani-mani.
iksian lamang po natin. Nang sa ganun, no,
Manipis
and for the
cracker.
members who wish to ask questions that are answerable by yes or no, please make the questions very clear para ho masagot po ng yes or no. Your Honors. So I hope para ho maayos yung ating
Once and for all, mga
pagtakbo ng ating
kababayan,
hearing sa ngayon.
nakahanap na rin nakatapat
please,
ang mga buhaya
proceed,
na
Congresswoman Brosas.
Yes,
nagsasabi,
Mr.
yes
Chair.
or no,
Mr.
yes
Chair,
or no.
ang tanong ko, sinasabi nyo rin na ang war on drugs ay talagang utos nyo. Diba? Pag sinabing war on drugs, Duterte yan. Sa inyo, nadikit yan. Unless, eto po, tanong na pwede nyo i-expound.
Sige,
May
yes
iba
or no
kayong
na
gustong
naman.
itawag doon? Meron po ba kayong gustong ibang itawag doon?
Wala.
Wala na po. Sabi
Oh.
ko, I assume full
Responsibility.
responsibility
Kasuhan niyo
for
ako.
whatever happened in the actions taken by the law enforcement agencies of this country to stop the drugs
Correct. I love it. Oh.
or the serious problem of the drugs affecting our people.
Hindi lang naman tatanggap yan dahil ang alam
Mr.
natin.
Chair, next question.
Next
Nung
question
naging
na.
mayor po kayo, sabi nyo naging safe ang Davao. Tama po ba?
Oo. Oh. Pero
That
hindi
will
siya
be
kailangan ang sumagot niyan. Ang mga taga-Davao nyo ang
answered by
tatanungin mo. At ang data. Oh, andyan naman ang data, mga kababayan, di ba? Safest city in the world. One of the safest city. Hindi naman safest city. Pero kabilang, mga kababayan, hindi natin sukat akalain na kabilang ito.
a third person. I would not be answering that.
Ask the Davao
It is
News.
sumptuous of me to conclude
Masasabi nyo,
yes or no na
naging
naman.
safe ang Davao sa panahon.
Yes or no na naman.
Talaga.
See? Ang hindi lang safe sa Davao, mga kriminal, lorogista, mga NPA, kagaya ng mga ilan dyan,